Okay guys, if you have a Scanfrost washing machine and the washing machine is kind of smelly, there is a way to make your Scanfrost washing machine become new again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose a washing machine whose drains water and of course spin, but on one condition is it smells. So if your washing machine is smelling, this video is going to put you through how to lose the water and of course clean the washing machine perfectly. So this is not the case where your washing machine is not draining water or the pipe is maybe it's blocked. Particularly here, I'm going to show you how to remove this particular washer from your washing machine. So I'm going to use a sample of Scanfrost SF-S80T6M, and the process is quite simple. Mark you, this is not going to come on a platter of gold because it requires some effort. Now let's go ahead now and do this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to remove your Scanfrost washing machine cover, which is exactly this. So this is top loader. If you're using the side loader, this might not work for you. This is particularly for top loader washing machine. So just remove this first, and then the next thing you want to do is you want to unscrew this particular screw. So you might need to apply more force or energy to unscrew this. Now you have this bolt, put it somewhere else, and now you need to look for maybe a kind of rope, something like this. So once you get the rope, what you need to do is this. Try and insert the rope just here. Let's say this, and use it to pull up the washer like this. So this is not going to come so easily. So once you have it just like this, it's going to be firm. So you want to pull this with all your forces, or use a rope. So this is the easiest way to do it. Just key in this rope just like this. Just hang on with me. I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. So you can see I have the rope just like this. Then you want to pull up. Mark you, it's not going to come so easily. As you can see, this is quite dirty. Now the next thing you need to do is go ahead now and clean all this. So you need to use maybe vinegar or some other detergent to make sure that the washing machine remains clean, and this will solve the washing machine from smelling. And as you can see, if we check through this place, you'll see that this is very smelly. It's dirty, and you can see that. Also, you need to remove the sieve here. This is also dirty, so you should also clean this when you are cleaning your washing machine to make sure that the washing machine is not smelling. You should be able to have your washing machine running perfectly. So guys, this is how to remove your washing machine water if it is smelling or there are dirties blocking the washing machine you have at home. So this is a sample of Scanfrost washing machine, and this is awful. You want to hit like button, of course. You want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.